Hey kids! Find the letter K. Can you find the hidden letter K? Look carefully. You found the letter K. Great job! Where is letter L? Look carefully. There it is. L. Yay! L. Where is letter L? Look carefully. There it is. L. Yay! L. Can you find the letter M? Look carefully. Where is M? Yes, you found M. Great job. Where is M? Look carefully. Yes, you found M. Great job. Let's play a game. Can you find the letter N? Look carefully. There it is. N. And there it is again. Great job. Let's find another letter. Can you find the letter O? Look carefully. There are so many things here. There it is. That's the letter O. Great job. Say it with me. O.